equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 torque screwdriver, a soft brush, and isopropyl alcohol. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Start by powering down your MacBook A1502 and unplugging it from any power source. Next, flip the device over and remove the 10 P5 screws from the back cover. Keep these screws organized. Using a magnetic mat can be very helpful. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off. You may need to use a plastic spudger to pry it open carefully. Be cautious not to damage any clips. With the back cover removed, you can now see the internal components. Using the soft brush, carefully clean the fan and vents to remove any dust buildup. This is crucial for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. If you notice any stubborn dirt, lightly dampen the brush with isopropyl alcohol for a more thorough clean. Next, check the battery connections. Ensure they are secure and free from dust. If you suspect any issues, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice without any pressure. Now, let's move on to the logic board. Inspect it for any signs of corrosion or damage. If everything looks good, you can proceed to reassemble your MacBook. Before putting the back cover on, take a moment to check the screws you removed earlier. Make sure you have all 10 P5 screws ready. If you feel this process is too challenging, don't forget we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. Carefully place the back cover back onto the MacBook, ensuring it aligns properly with the clips. Reinsert the 10 P5 screws, tightening them gently but firmly. Avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the casing. Once the screws are in place, flip your MacBook back over and power it on. Check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Regular maintenance like this can significantly extend the life of your MacBook A1502. By following these steps, you can ensure your device runs smoothly and efficiently. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us for support. In summary, maintaining your MacBook A1502 involves careful cleaning and inspection of internal components. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can keep your device in excellent condition. Remember, if you ever feel overwhelmed, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, just convenient service at your doorstep. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.